Namah Shivaya children, welcome to the civics class of today. In the earlier class, we studied about the merits, that why we should have a democracy, and also what are the drawbacks if we have a democracy. Now, we shall be studying the broader meaning of democracy. Here, before going to the broader meaning, we have to understand two types of democracy. First one is direct democracy. Direct democracy, here all the citizens of the country assemble in a place and they will directly take part in the decision making. So that countries we call there they have as a direct democracy. Coming to indirect democracy, where we call this also as a representative democracy, here the people elect their representatives and those elected representatives on behalf of the people will take decisions. Major decisions, whatever are there, decision making is there, it is taken by the representatives. The majority of people rule through their elected representatives. Now, why is representative democracy become necessary in the present world? Why we need it? Modern democracy involve such a large number of people that it is physically impossible for them to sit together and take a collective decision because each of us are busy in our own work. So what happens here, when we are busy in our own work, we don't have the time to sit together and take a decision here. So this is one thing. So what we will do, we will send our representative and there he will take the decision. Even if they could, suppose, if it is possible, think, the citizen does not have the time. Time is nowadays all are busy. The desire or the skill to take part in all the decisions also is not possible. Then, what is an ideal standard democracy? How it should be? True democracy will come to a country only when no one goes hungry to bed. What does this mean? See, here he is explaining through this that the representatives whom we will send should work for the development of all the sections of the society, whether they are rich, whether they are poor, and overall development should be done in order to see that each citizen in the country, whoever has voted for them, should at least have basic needs for their livelihood. So, when no one goes hungry to bed, there will be a true democracy in a country. In a true democracy, every citizen must be given chance to have a equal role in the decision making with equal right to vote, whether it is right to vote, then equal information, means some information about the government will reach the people, some will not reach, should not happen. Then education, which is very important, equal resources also, and a lot of commitment. So this will make a ideal democracy. So this is about the broader meaning here, and this will distinguish, whatever I told just now, will distinguish democracy from other type of governments which are there. Other form of governments means monarchy, dictatorship, or one party rule do not require all citizens to take part in politics. Here, if we have a dictatorship, they don't call the citizens and take decision. In fact, most non-democratic governments also would like citizens not to take part in politics. But democracy depends on active political participation by all the citizens. So, that is why a study of democracy must focus on democratic politics. So, these are the broader meaning of the democracy, children, and this will be the end of this lesson. Let me continue and come back to you with another topic. Until then, Namah Shivaya, children.